Forecasting is a crucial part of financial planning for businesses and individuals alike. It helps you anticipate future trends, make informed decisions, and prepare for potential risks. But with so many tools available, finding the simplest software for modeling financial scenarios can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll break down what forecasting software does, why simplicity matters, and guide you through the easiest options for beginners and professionals. Let's start by understanding the basics of financial forecasting and why having the right tool can make all the difference. Financial forecasting is the process of estimating future financial outcomes based on historical data and current trends. It's used to predict revenues, expenses, cash flows, and profitability. Whether you're running a small business or managing personal finances, forecasting helps you set realistic goals and allocate resources efficiently. The right software can automate calculations, visualize trends, and simplify scenario analysis, making it accessible even if you don't have a background in finance. When it comes to forecasting software, simplicity is key. Complex tools can be powerful, but often require steep learning curves and technical expertise. For most users, especially those new to financial modeling, a simple interface and straightforward features are essential. Simple software allows you to focus on your financial goals without getting bogged down by unnecessary details or complicated settings. This ensures you can quickly build, test, and adjust scenarios as your needs evolve. Before choosing a forecasting tool, it's important to know which features matter most. Look for software that offers intuitive dashboards, customizable templates, and clear visualizations. Automated calculations, scenario analysis, and easy data import are also valuable. The best simple forecasting tools let you adjust assumptions on the fly and instantly see the impact on your financial projections. These features help you stay agile and make better decisions. Microsoft Excel remains one of the simplest and most widely used tools for financial forecasting. Its spreadsheet format is familiar to many, and it offers built-in formulas, charts, and templates for budgeting and scenario analysis. With Excel, you can quickly set up financial models, run what-if scenarios, and visualize your data with graphs. While it may lack advanced automation, its flexibility and accessibility make it a go-to option for beginners and professionals alike. Google Sheets is another popular choice for simple financial forecasting. As a cloud-based spreadsheet tool, it allows for real-time collaboration and easy sharing. Google Sheets offers many of the same features as Excel, including formulas, charts, and templates. Its integration with other Google Workspace apps makes it convenient for teams. Plus, you can access your models from any device, making it ideal for remote work and on-the-go updates. Some software platforms offer ready-made templates specifically for financial forecasting. These templates are designed to simplify the process, guiding you through inputting assumptions and generating projections. Tools like Smartsheet and Airtable provide user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates for various financial scenarios. This approach is perfect for users who want to get started quickly without building models from scratch. There are also dedicated forecasting apps designed for simplicity. Tools like Float, Plan Guru, and LivePlan focus on making financial scenario modeling accessible to everyone. These apps often feature step-by-step wizards, drag-and-drop interfaces, and automated reporting. They're ideal for small businesses and entrepreneurs who want professional results without the complexity of traditional financial software. One of the most valuable features in simple forecasting software is scenario analysis. This allows you to test different assumptions like changes in sales, costs, or investment, and instantly see how they affect your financial outlook. With easy-to-use tools, you can create multiple scenarios, compare results, and make informed decisions. This flexibility is essential for adapting to changing market conditions and planning for the unexpected. Visualization is a powerful way to understand your financial scenarios. Simple forecasting tools often include charts, graphs, and dashboards that make it easy to spot trends and outliers. Visual representations help you communicate your findings to stakeholders and make data-driven decisions. Whether you're presenting to a team or reviewing your own finances, clear visuals are essential for effective forecasting. One of the main advantages of using forecasting software is automation. Instead of manually crunching numbers, these tools handle calculations for you. This reduces errors and saves time, allowing you to focus on strategy rather than data entry. Automated calculations also make it easier to update your models as new information becomes available, ensuring your forecasts stay accurate and relevant. Many simple forecasting tools are designed for collaboration. Whether you're working with a team or sharing results with stakeholders, features like real-time editing, comments, and sharing permissions make it easy to work together. This ensures everyone stays on the same page and can contribute insights to improve your financial models. Cloud-based forecasting tools offer unmatched accessibility. You can access your financial models from any device, anywhere, at any time. This is especially useful for remote teams and busy professionals. Integration with other cloud services, like accounting software or CRM systems, streamlines your workflow and ensures your data is always up to date. Some forecasting software offers mobile apps or responsive web interfaces, making it easy to update and review your financial scenarios on the go. This flexibility is perfect for business owners and managers who need to make quick decisions outside the office. Mobile access ensures you're always connected to your financial data, no matter where you are. Many simple forecasting tools can integrate with popular accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. This allows you to import real-time financial data directly into your forecasting models, reducing manual entry and ensuring accuracy. Seamless integration streamlines your workflow and helps you maintain consistency across your financial systems. Security is a top priority when dealing with financial data. Simple forecasting tools often include robust security features like encryption, user authentication, and regular backups. These measures protect your sensitive information and ensure your data is safe from unauthorized access or loss. Always choose software that prioritizes data protection. When selecting forecasting software, cost is an important factor. Many simple tools offer free versions with basic features, while premium plans unlock advanced capabilities. Consider your budget and the features you need before making a decision. For small businesses and individuals, free or low-cost options like Google Sheets or Excel may be sufficient, while growing companies might benefit from investing in specialized apps. Good support can make a big difference when learning new software. Look for tools that offer tutorials, help centers, and responsive customer service. Many simple forecasting apps provide onboarding guides and community forums to help you get started and troubleshoot issues. Access to quality support ensures you can make the most of your chosen tool. One of the main advantages of simple forecasting software is the ability to get started quickly. Many tools offer step-by-step setup wizards and pre-built templates, allowing you to begin modeling scenarios in minutes. This is ideal for users who need immediate insights without a lengthy learning process. Fast setup means you can focus on analyzing results and making decisions sooner. Even the simplest forecasting tools allow for some level of customization. You can adjust variables, add new data points, and tailor templates to fit your unique needs. Customization ensures your financial models reflect your specific goals and circumstances, providing more accurate and relevant forecasts. Simple forecasting software often includes features for importing and exporting data. This makes it easy to bring in historical financial information or share your projections with others. Look for tools that support common file formats like CSV or Excel, ensuring compatibility with your existing systems. Clear reporting is essential for communicating your financial forecasts. Simple tools often include built-in reporting features, allowing you to generate summaries, charts, and presentations with just a few clicks. Sharing options make it easy to distribute your results to stakeholders, ensuring everyone is informed and aligned. Financial forecasting isn't just about predicting the most likely outcome, it's also about preparing for uncertainty. Simple forecasting tools make it easy to create best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. This helps you plan for unexpected events and make more resilient financial decisions. Small businesses often need simple, affordable forecasting solutions. Tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and dedicated apps like Float or LivePlan are ideal for small teams with limited resources. These tools help you manage cash flow, plan for growth, and make informed decisions without the need for complex software or expensive consultants. Individuals can also benefit from simple forecasting tools. Whether you're planning a personal budget, saving for a goal, or managing investments, tools like Excel and Google Sheets make it easy to track income and expenses. Dedicated apps can help automate savings plans and visualize your progress, making financial planning accessible to everyone. Startups face unique financial challenges, and simple forecasting tools can help navigate uncertainty. With limited data and resources, startups need flexible models that can be updated as new information becomes available. Tools like Google Sheets, Smartsheet, and LivePlan offer the agility and ease of use that startups require to plan for rapid growth and changing markets. Larger organizations may require more robust forecasting solutions, but simplicity is still valuable. Many enterprise tools offer simplified interfaces for non-technical users, allowing teams across departments to contribute to financial planning. Integration with ERP and accounting systems ensures consistency and accuracy at scale. Nonprofit organizations also benefit from simple forecasting tools. Managing donations, grants, and program expenses requires clear financial planning. Tools like Google Sheets and dedicated nonprofit apps provide templates and features tailored to the unique needs of nonprofits, making it easier to track funding and plan for future initiatives. Consultants often need to build financial models for clients quickly and efficiently. Simple forecasting tools allow consultants to create, customize, and share models without extensive setup. Cloud-based platforms make it easy to collaborate with clients and update scenarios in real time, improving client satisfaction and project outcomes. While simple forecasting software is great for most users, it does have limitations. Advanced features like machine learning, complex integrations, or industry-specific modules may be missing. For highly specialized needs, you may need to consider more advanced solutions. However, for most financial scenario modeling, simple tools are more than sufficient. As your needs grow, you may outgrow simple forecasting tools. Signs it's time to upgrade include needing more automation, handling larger datasets, or integrating with complex business systems. Many software providers offer scalable solutions, allowing you to start simple and add features as your requirements evolve. Selecting the best forecasting software depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical comfort. Start by identifying your goals and the features that matter most to you. Try out free trials or demos to see which interface feels most intuitive. Remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use consistently. Both free and paid forecasting tools have their advantages. Free options like Google Sheets and Excel are accessible and versatile, while paid apps often offer more automation, support, and advanced features. Consider starting with a free tool and upgrading if you need more capabilities down the line. To make the most of your forecasting software, take advantage of available learning resources. Many platforms offer video tutorials, webinars, and documentation to help you master the basics and explore advanced features. Investing time in learning can greatly improve your forecasting accuracy and confidence. When using simple forecasting tools, avoid common mistakes like overcomplicating models, ignoring data quality, or failing to update assumptions. Keep your models straightforward, use reliable data, and revisit your forecasts regularly to ensure they remain accurate and relevant. To get the best results from your forecasting software, start with clear objectives and realistic assumptions. Regularly review and update your models as new data becomes available. Use visualizations to communicate your findings and involve stakeholders in the process for better insights and buy-in. Let's look at a small business using Google Sheets for financial forecasting. By leveraging built-in templates and real-time collaboration, the team quickly modeled different sales scenarios and adjusted expenses. This allowed them to make informed decisions about hiring and inventory, demonstrating the power of simple tools in real-world situations. An individual planning for a major purchase used Excel to forecast savings and expenses. By setting up a simple model and adjusting monthly contributions, they visualized how long it would take to reach their goal. This approach made financial planning less intimidating and more actionable. A startup used LivePlan to model rapid growth scenarios. The software's step-by-step guidance and automated reports helped the founders test different funding and revenue strategies. This enabled them to present clear projections to investors and secure the capital needed to scale. A nonprofit organization used Smartsheet to forecast program budgets and track grant funding. The platform's templates and collaboration features made it easy to involve multiple team members and adjust plans as funding changed. This ensured the organization could deliver on its mission while maintaining financial stability. The future of financial forecasting is moving toward greater automation, artificial intelligence, and integration. Even simple tools are beginning to incorporate AI-driven insights and predictive analytics. As technology advances, expect forecasting software to become even more user-friendly and powerful, making scenario modeling accessible to everyone. To recap, the simplest forecasting software for modeling financial scenarios includes tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and dedicated apps such as Float and LivePlan. Key features to look for are ease of use, automation, visualization, and collaboration. Start with your needs and budget, and choose a tool that fits your workflow. Remember, the best tool is the one that helps you make better financial decisions with confidence. Ready to start modeling your own financial scenarios? Begin by identifying your goals and gathering your financial data. Try out a few simple forecasting tools. Many offer free trials or templates. Experiment with different scenarios, visualize your results, and refine your models as you learn. With the right software, financial forecasting can be straightforward and empowering. Financial forecasting doesn't have to be complicated. With today's simple software options, anyone can model scenarios, plan for the future, and make smarter financial decisions. Whether you're a business owner, individual, or nonprofit, there's a tool out there to fit your needs. Embrace simplicity and let technology work for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of simple forecasting software. We hope you now feel confident in choosing the right tool for your financial scenario modeling. Remember, the simplest solution is often the most effective. Stay curious, keep learning, and make your financial planning easier than ever.